ka Joint Action Committee ka bakantop ya ka NEHU ta NEHUNSA MCTA Meta NEHU bat ka NEHU su hakalai phoi tarik urisao arajar phulai haga General Assembly kala shimbon tali ki rai bat kawai naka ka dei ban boycott ne kantai yatre bat Rohit Prasad ubala sha thung bi an como contractual technical officer senior consultant ka NEHU how vice chancellor Professor Brabha Shankar Shukla para ka jo ka por kilale ru ban Khang Tala ka Kamra Treikam Prasad kuma chupentep ka committee kala dep bandawa na vice chancellor ban weng mardor yu Rohit Prasad ubalaya laj na ki Jingdon badru ka jingle kelut yake hinyau teli kimat jingdawa kuma chupentep ka committee kala dep bandawa na vice chancellor ban weng mardor yu Rohit Prasad ubalaya laj na ki Jingdon badru ban penram yu VC halor ka jingle kelut ka jong u yake hinyau teli kimat jingdawa haba pen banaya ka rai ka baga General Assembly ka shim u chairman ka JAC u Professor Lakhon Kama ulong ka General Assembly jong ka JAC ka rai bekinum shim bo Rohit Prasad utre ha NEHU namar bo de breu bala shubat jubor ya ka kam bat kumjuru kala penram bat kentho joryo Vice Chancellor Professor Brabha Shankar Shukla ta ka bong bo bunsien u VC u pen pau hi dala de bo udei u breu bathok basukor namar uju buri yaki ke bat le ki kam ki ba umya ha bat kurkom Treikam ka NEHU ta ka ba ai nuksa bat ka jingba quarter shakibri ki bom dei hok ban yo
they have already given you a key since the day you joined. Please give us.
So that I give.
Mr. Rohit, Mr. Rohit, listen, Mr. Rohit, I don't want you call me sir. I don't know, you don't exist here. Give the key right now.
Here now. We don't even
Give
know
the
you
key,
anymore.
Mr. Rohit. I'm saying, warning you once again. Give the key right now.
Yes.
We have been nice, please.
Yes.
We have been, see, even your registrar is right here. Give the key. Rest of the thing we'll talk later. Give the key. 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 Give the key.
Give the key.
No. How did you come here? Did you went after opening? You went home to give the key. Please, Rohit Prasad. Rohit Prasad, please give the key. No. We will not discuss. We have nothing to discuss with you. If at all, if we have to discuss, we discuss with VC. Right now, you are persona non grata.
We don't know you
You don't exist in NEHU. Give the key to the room. No, 1 minute. No talking. We are not interested to talk to you, please. No, you give us the key. Give the key. Give the key. Give the key. No, should be taken back. Yeah, please make way for Rohit. Yeah, make way for him, please. Yeah, and please. Bring the key. Okay, friends. So this is the room of ex Rohit Prasad, who used to occupy here, whom we have made persona non grata.
Yes.
And we believe that in next few days he will leave the quarter as well. Otherwise, we have to also vacate that quarter.
Yes.
But for now, he has vacated this office. This is the key. We are going to lock it so that people like him who are illegitimately or illegally appointed don't occupy any official position in NEHU. Thank you, members. This is the key to the room of Rohit that we have locked. He doesn't exist in NEHU anymore. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Woo! And we boycott on today's day. We move as a General Assembly to boycott the existence of Rohit Prasad in NEHU. He is a persona non grata for us. Let this be very clear and we'll make it in no uncertain terms that we don't communicate with a person who has been illegitimately appointed here. And hence, that will be a resolution I would like to move. If you all agree, say yes. Thank you, friends. So that is, I think, a very important one. Now, the next, which I hope just slipped. You know, on jam border. Again, to show how big a liar, I would say. I don't want to really hesitate and mince my word. How big a liar this VC has been. He said in the dossier reply number 13, which is very nicely put in our website so all of us could download. He said the JAC portal is already activated, registration is complete, different departments in the university are procuring goods using their own credentials as secondary users. Similarly, the CPP, which is the central purchase portal that we have, has also been activated. Now, this is a lie. I belong to biochemistry department, he belongs to Khasi department, some other department. None of us have got any login ID password as a secondary user. Otherwise, by now we would have purchased reagents and chemicals for our MSc students and research scholars. So friends, don't go by his word. I'm now more than 100% convinced that he tells blatant lies. And somebody who says blatant lies, I don't know how he will get our respect. I'm really worried now that he has completed 2 years, he still have 3 years to go. I'm not sure whether he will ever be able to command respect from NEHU fraternity, because such blatant lies we never hear, we have never seen. No VC, whether he is acting or permanent, has ever told that kind of blatant lies, with documentary evidence provided by his own office. That's the most interesting part. Most of these documents are provided by NEHU administration, registrar's office, to counter his own lies. He tells lies blatantly when he has no information, but then when we have the right kind of information, he doesn't dare. Because, mind you friends, I am so happy to be here. Not because of the agitation, but when we met him as NEHU EC, we told him, sir, you are doing all sorts of wrong things. You are giving quarter to somebody who have just come the other day. We have here non-teaching staff who have served NEHU for 10, 12, 15 years. You don't give quarter to them. So under which rule you have given? Research scholars or students of MSc have to rent house after paying their fee here to get a hostel seat, maybe second semester, third semester. Yet a person comes out of nowhere, he is given a quarter, which in violation of everything else, where VC uses or he misuses his discretionary power.
Andy, your wife has been sitting there. She has been ready for a while now. Go for the test.
I'm already watching the test, Mom.
Son, it is important to take this test at the earliest.
Mom, why do we need to rush? What will happen even if we're late to take the test?
Look, son. You see, that is why it is important to reach on time. Go.
Within the first 3 months of pregnancy, it is important for the mother to get tested for HIV in order to prevent the baby from getting infected with HIV, so that the mother and the baby can live a healthy and long life.
Earlier the checkup.
Healthy life confirmed.
Get yourself tested for HIV during your first pregnancy checkup.